Hi! Here are my 7 useful tips that you may consider before you go on a travel trip. Number 1. Eat the local food. I love trying new things, and I've found 1,000 amazing dishes that I never would have discovered if I continued to eat from supermarkets around the world. Trying new food isn't scary, and you'll build your confidence as you fall in love with more and more things. Try everything, even if you have no idea what it is. I promise you won't regret it. Number 2. Travel insurance. If you do only one thing before you leave, make it getting travel insurance. I've heard far too many horror stories of travelers injuring themselves in remote places and ending up in hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of debt. Don't think that it won't happen to you, because those travelers thought that too. Number 3. Keep everything important in your day pack. If there's anything I'd be upset to lose, I keep it in my day pack, which is always by my side on travel days. For me, that's my passport, laptop, camera, external hard drive, debit card, and some spare cash. As long as I have all of this, I can survive indefinitely. Number 4. Wear sunscreen every day. When you travel, you're in the sun more than most people thanks to months of island hopping and beach time, as well as entire days spent outside exploring. Wear sunscreen every single day, regardless of the weather and temperature, because you really don't want your trip of a lifetime to result in skin cancer of a body that's blanket in leathery wrinkles. Number 5. Learn a few words of the language in every country you visit. You gain more respect from the locals if you can at least say hello, please, sorry, and thank you. On that note, remember, if you don't speak the language, it's your problem, not theirs. And please don't start speaking louder to make yourself understood. Try miming instead of using translation app on your phone. Number 6. A stash of emergency cash. I carry a spare $300 that's split up in various places in my backpack, day pack, and occasionally my shoe when I'm nervous I'll be robbed. It means that in a worst case scenario, I can pay for some food, a dorm bed, and a Skype call to my family to get an emergency wire transfer until I can get back on my feet again. I went with US dollars because it's the most widely accepted currency around the world and it's easy to change. Number 7. Always make a travel itinerary. When you travel with a limited amount of time and on a set budget, you don't want to miss possibilities. That's why creating even a rough itinerary can greatly aid your travel planning. There are 4 main steps we use to create an itinerary. Do your research, make a list of your must-dos, make a draft timetable, calendar, and create the finished travel itinerary. That's all guys, thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click the bell button. See ya!